Hi, this is Christina here at Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizink. Today we are putting patches on hats. So in another video we'll show you how we add the adhesive to the patch. This patch already does have adhesive on it. The first step we're going to do is we're going to pre-press the hat. So we have it here on one of our hat presses. We're going to press it for 30 seconds at 320. And then once that's done pressing, it's going to be warm. So then you can add your patch to the warm hat, and it'll kind of hold it there because that heat will activate the adhesive. And then we're going to want to have our foam pad here, and we're going to press this for 35 seconds. We have our top set to 277 and our bottom to 320. And then after that's done, I put them aside just for a little bit to cool down before we actually test how good that adhered. If you start playing with it right away, it's going to come off. So you want to let that cool before testing. Thank you.